The world is changing. So is the way we display products and experiences. Virtual displays enhance the selection process so you can view the best in person. iStaging, the leading provider of augmented and virtual reality solutions, lets you capture 360-degree panoramas with your smartphone and use them to create immersive virtual reality experiences your clients can tour from any device. Guide viewers in real time using voice or text, and gauge their interest by highlighting specific information or via viewers' avatars as they explore the space. Use iStaging to organize property showings with multiple viewers.
By using advanced AI algorithms, you can record and replay sessions to evaluate your team's performance, analyze customer behavior for business intelligence purposes, or to score potential buyers. Close more deals than ever before with iStaging.